Welcome to our quick yet detailed comparison of two exceptional SUVs, the Porsche Macan and the ZEEKR X. Both vehicles are celebrated for their safety, innovation, and comfort. Today, we'll compare their Euro NCAP safety ratings to understand which model offers better occupant protection, features, and technology. Let's dive in. Adult occupant protection. Both vehicles score high in this category, with the Porsche Macan achieving 90% and the ZEEKR X scoring slightly higher at 91%. The Macan's passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test, with good protection for all critical body areas. However, chest protection for the rear passenger in the full-width rigid barrier test was rated marginal. The Macan excelled in side impact and pole tests, achieving maximum points, but control of excursion during far side impacts was rated as marginal. On the other hand, the ZEEKR X also showcased impressive stability and protection in the frontal offset test. It excelled in side impact tests, with only the chest rated as adequate in the severe side pole test. Additionally, it includes a center airbag to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries, and its advanced e-call system ensures quick emergency response. Child occupant protection. In child occupant safety, both SUVs performed equally well, achieving 90%. The Porsche Macan provided excellent protection for child dummies in both frontal and side pole tests. It features an airbag deactivation option for rearward-facing child seats and a child presence detection system. However, ISOFIX/I-size anchorages are optional for the front passenger seat. Similarly, the ZEEKR X scored maximum points for child protection. It also includes a front passenger airbag deactivation feature and boasts a direct child presence detection system. Its versatility in accommodating various child restraint systems adds to its appeal. Vulnerable road user protection. The ZEEKR X takes a slight edge here, scoring 84%, compared to the Macan's 83%. For pedestrian and cyclist head protection, both vehicles performed well, although the Macan showed poor results at the bonnet edge and windscreen pillars. The ZEEKR X had similar weaknesses but provided consistent protection for knees and tibias. Both vehicles' AEB systems performed well against cyclists and pedestrians, with the ZEEKR X excelling in cyclist collision avoidance. Safety assist features. The ZEEKR X scored 83% in this category, outperforming the Macan's 78%. Both models include advanced safety technologies like AEB systems, lane support, and speed assistance. The ZEEKR X's AEB system showed strong results across various scenarios, while the Macan's performance was rated adequate. Additionally, the ZEEKR X's driver monitoring system detects both distraction and fatigue, while the Macan's system only identifies fatigue. While both the Porsche Macan and ZEEKR X deliver exceptional safety and features, the ZEEKR X takes a slight lead with its higher scores in adult occupant protection, vulnerable road user safety, and safety assist features. However, the Macan remains a solid choice, especially for those prioritizing premium build quality and brand legacy. So which SUV would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.